Okay, good morning everyone. Today we are from Unit 8 and we are going to explore an exciting topic, Wonder from the Past. And from the first, listen to the audio and answer the question.
Unit 8, Lesson A. Lesson A, page 144. Exercise A.
An amazing discovery. Every career has a high point, and according to National Geographic Explorer William Saturno, being the first human being in 2,000 years to view a beautiful Maya mural in Guatemala was probably that point for him. Saturno, an archaeologist and an expert on the Maya civilization, discovered the mural inside a room that was once next to a pyramid. The mural room and pyramid were later covered by a larger pyramid, part of the ruins of an ancient Maya city, now called San Bartolo. At first, Saturno could see only a small part of the mural. He had to dig through earth and stone in order to reveal the rest. Then, instead of using a camera, Saturno used his scanner to take digital images of the mural. He took about 350 scans. The mural wasn't the only important find at San Bartolo. The archaeologists also uncovered a tomb. It was a royal tomb, where the bones of a Maya king were buried, along with objects such as a bowl in the shape of a frog and an image of the Maya rain god, Chuck.
Okay, for the question B, blah blah blah, a place that contains the body of a dead person. What the answer? For number one. Yes, Yasmin.
The answer is Tom.
Okay, correct. Thank you. Okay, Alif. For the next number.
The answer is images.
Yes, correct. For number three. Who wants to answer? Chira? Chira? Tiga. Marshanda, can you answer for number three?
Number three is
Can you repeat? Yes, correct. Thank you. For the next number is blah blah blah, put into the ground and covered with earth or stone. Ricky, can you answer the question for number 4? Ricky?
Number 4 is buried.
Yes, correct. Mana weh? Ya. Listen. 49, 46.
Okay, now we will move page 46. Listen the audio.
Page 146, exercise B, and page 147, exercise C. A guided tour of Uxmal. Good morning, and welcome to Uxmal. This ancient city was part of the Maya civilization. It's one of the most fascinating and popular Maya historical sites in Mexico, and for good reason. There's a lot to see here. So I hope you all have on comfortable walking shoes today. There are several pyramids and other structures at the site which were all built by the Maya during the late Classic period. That's around AD 600 to 900. So they are not nearly as ancient as the pyramids in Egypt, of course, but they're still pretty old and very special. There is also a ball court on the site where all games were played. The Maya played was a very difficult and dangerous sport played with a hard ball made of rubber. I'll tell you more about it when we get there. We'll also see tombs where important people were buried, mostly people from one royal family. I visited a lot of Maya ruins, and personally, I think the ruins at Uxmal are the most beautiful and interesting of all of them. So, you picked a good place to visit. Maybe you'll agree with me after our tour today. Okay. Just to let you know,
the guided
the
tour
guided
takes
tour
about
takes
90
about
minutes.
90 minutes.
But after
But
that,
after
you
that,
are
you are
welcome to
welcome
stay
to
and
stay
explore
and
the
explore
site
the
on your
site
own
on your own
until
until
closing time.
closing time.
Okay,
Okay,
ready?
ready?
Great.
Great.
Let's get
Let's get
started.
started.
The first
The
stop
first
on our
stop on
tour
our tour
is this
is this
huge
huge
pyramid right
pyramid
behind
right
me.
behind me.
It's called
It's
the
called the
Pyramid of the
Pyramid of the
Magician.
Magician.
And I'm sure
And I'm
you've
sure
seen
you've seen
images of this
famous
famous
pyramid
pyramid
on
on brochures
brochures
or in your
or in your
guidebook.
guidebook.
Not only
Not
is it
only
the
is it the
tallest pyramid
tallest
at
pyramid at
Uxmal,
Uxmal,
it's also a
it's
very
also a very
unusual
unusual
pyramid
pyramid
because it
because
has
it has
rounded
rounded
sides.
sides.
And as you
And
know,
as you know,
most pyramids
most
have
pyramids have
flat
flat
sides,
sides,
like the
like
pyramids
the
in
pyramids
Egypt.
in Egypt.
Now,
Now,
we don't
we don't
actually know
actually
the
know
Maya
the
name
Maya
for this
name for
pyramid,
this pyramid
or for
or
any
for
of the
any of these
structures here
structures
at
here at
Uxmal.
Uxmal.
Of these structures here
Structures
at
here at
Uxmal.
Uxmal.
But there is an
But there is
old
an old
story
story
about
about
the
the
pyramid.
pyramid.
They say
They say
a
a
magician
magician
used his
used his
powers
powers
to
to
build this
build this
pyramid
pyramid
in one
in
night.
one night.
And that's
And
why we
that's why
call
we
it
call
the
it the
Pyramid
Pyramid
of the
of the
Magician.
Magician.
So,
So,
how many of
how
you
many
think
of
the
you think
story
the
is true?
story is true?
Anyone?
Anyone?
Well,
Well,
even though we
even though
don't
we
know
don't know
exactly
exactly
how
how
long
long
it
it
took to
took
build the
to build the
pyramid,
pyramid,
we do
we
know
do know
that it was
that
built
it was
in
built
different
in different
stages
stages
during
during
different
different time
periods.
periods.
So it
So it
definitely
definitely
wasn't
wasn't
built
built
in
in
one
one
night.
night.
In
In
reality,
reality,
it took
it
around
took around
300 years
300
to build
years to
this
build this
structure.
structure.
And like
And
other
like other
Maya
Maya
pyramids,
pyramids,
this one
this
started
one
out
started out
small.
small.
The workers
The workers
built a
built a
bigger
bigger
structure
structure
on
on
top of the
top of
first
the
small
first small
pyramid,
pyramid,
and an
and
even
an even
bigger
bigger
structure on top
structure
of
on
that
top
one.
of that one.
Archaeologists
Archaeologists
have
have
revealed
revealed
parts
parts of
of five
5
different
different
structures
structures
here
here
that
that make up the
make up
pyramid
the
you see
pyramid you see
today.
today. Does anyone
Does
have any
anyone have
questions
any
at this
questions
point?
at this point?
I do
I
have a
do have a
question.
question.
You mentioned
You mentioned
archaeologists.
archaeologists.
When was
When was
Uxmal
Uxmal
discovered?
discovered?
I mean,
I mean,
in modern
in modern
times, when
times,
was it
when
found?
was it found?
That's a
That's a great question.
Of course,
Of course,
in some
in
places,
some places,
Maya
Maya
cities were
cities were
completely covered
completely
over by
covered by
trees and
trees
other
and
plants,
other plants,
and they had to
and they
dig
had
to
to
find
dig
the
to find
buildings
the buildings
underneath.
underneath.
But
But
Uxmal
Uxmal
stayed pretty
stayed pretty
visible over
visible
time.
over time.
People could see
People
the
could see
ruins
the ruins
fairly
fairly
easily.
easily.
There are
There are
drawings from the
drawings from the
1700s
1700s
and
and
photos from the
photos from the
1800s.
1800s.
So this has
So
been
this
a
has been
popular
a
place to
popular
visit
place
for
to visit
hundreds
for
of
hundreds
years.
of years.
Okay,
Okay,
I'll give you a
I'll give
minute
you
or
a
two
minute
to
or
take
two to
photos,
take photos,
and then
and then we'll head over to the ball
and
and maybe play a ball game.
Hey, just
Hey,
kidding.
just kidding.
Could I ask
Could
a
I ask a
question?
question?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Do they
Do
still
they
play
still
the
play
Maya
the
ball
Maya
game
ball
here?
game here?
Like
Like maybe to show the public
game
what the
was
game
like?
was like?
No,
No,
sorry.
sorry,
Not
not
here
here
at
at
Uxmal.
Uxmal.
Okay,
Okay,
after we see
after
the
we
ball
see the
court,
ball court,
we'll
we'll
go
go
to
to
the
the
governor's
governor's
palace.
palace.
In front of
In
that
front of that
structure is
structure
something
is
very
something
special.
very special.
It's called the
It's called the
Jaguar
Jaguar
Throne.
Throne.
It's very
It's
cool.
very cool.
And as you
And as you probably
a
know, a
jaguar
jaguar
is
is
a
a
wild
wild cat.
It's the
It's
largest
the largest
wildcat
wildcat
in
in
the
the
Americas.
Americas.
And you can still
And you can
find
still
a
find
few
a
wild
few wild
jaguars in
jaguars
Mexico
in
today.
Mexico today.
Okay,
Okay,
so the
so the
Jaguar
Jaguar
Throne in
Throne
front of the
in front of
governor's
the
palace
governor's
is
palace
made
is
from
made
stone.
from stone.
And it looks
It
like a
looks like a
jaguar
jaguar
with
with
2
two
heads.
heads.
In the middle is a
It
kind of
is a
seat,
kind of seat,
most likely
most
for a
likely for
royal
a
person
royal
like a
person
king
like
to
a
sit
king
in.
to sit in.
Okay, this
Okay,
audio
this
for the
audio for the
question
question
part B
part
and
B
C
and
in
C
page
in page
146.
146.
Okay, for
Okay, for
the
the
part B,
part B,
question
question
number
number
1.
1.
Which
Which
Maya
Maya
site are
site
the
are the
tourists
tourists
visiting?
visiting?
Who wants to
Who wants to
answer?
answer?
Alif, can you answer for the number one?
Number 1 is C. Book small.
Okay, correct. Thank you. Next, for the number 2, what is the one of the most popular Maya historical sites? What the answer? Rara, can you answer number 2?
For number 2, the answer is A. It has several pyramids, and other structures.
Okay, good. Thank you. And the last, what is the pyramid of the Magican Uniswal? What the answer for number 3? Who wants to answer? Okay, Yasmin, what the answer for number 3?
The answer is A. It has rounded sides.
Yes, good. Thank you. Okay, next to part C. For the question number 1, from which period of Maya history is this site? What the answer? Okay, Alif, what the answer for number 1?
The answer is late Classic period from 600 to 900 AD.
Yes, correct. Thank you, Alif.
Okay, for number 2, according to an old story, how long did it take to build the pyramid of the magician? Who wants to answer for number 2? Okay, Najwa Rizky. For number 2, the answer is 1 night. Yes, correct. Thank you. For the third number is around how many years did it actually take to build the pyramid? Who wants to answer? Marshanda, can you answer? Pardon? 300. Yes, correct. For the next number, how many different structures make up the pyramid? Who wants to answer? Shira? The answer is 5. Yeah, thank you. Next, where does the group go after seeing the pyramid? Najwa, can you answer? Najwa Rizky. Alif, can you answer?
For number 5, the answer is the ball court.
Yes, correct. Thank you. For the next, what is in front of the governor's palace? Chira, can you answer for the number 6?
Number 6. The answer is the Jaguar throne.
Okay, for the last question, what is a jaguar? Okay, Yasmin, what's the answer?
The answer is wildcat, the largest wildcat in the Americas.
Yes, correct. Thank you, Yasmin.
Ya udah. Okay, maybe enough here. What can we explain to you guys? We are sorry if any mistake from us, and the last I say you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.